It's 26 July 2023, about 8:30 in the morning, 8 o'clock in the morning. I just got here and here comes a jet. He's got his wheels up already. And he's going to fly right in front of the sun. The sun is going to be directly. Oh boy. And a little bit of really soft wind from the west, it seems. So that's why he took off in that direction. Left-hand turn, back into Philly airspace. I'm going to guess that they're doing reduced power takeoffs here for noise abatement purposes. And they get up halfway down the 1 mile runway, like a half a mile, they're up in the air. So, you know, why not do a reduced power and, you know, reduce the noise for noise abatement purposes. I don't know where he's going. Peace out, y'all.